Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the 9 wonders of papaya. Let's get started. Why should I eat papaya? 1/2 of a small papaya provides 150% of the daily value of vitamin C. Papayas are also a good source of vitamin A, potassium, folate, and fiber. They contain carotenoids, mainly cryptoxanthin, which may reduce the risk of lung and colon cancer and possibly benefit rheumatoid arthritis. Papaya is known for its protein digestive enzyme, papain. Besides being an aid to digestion, it is also commonly used in commercial food processing, as a meat tenderizer, and as a beer stabilizing agent. Papaya has a range of health benefits including: Number 1. Asthma prevention. The risk of developing asthma is lower in people who consume a high amount of certain nutrients. One of these nutrients is beta-carotene, contained in foods like papaya, apricots, broccoli, cantaloupe, pumpkin, and carrots. Number 2. Cancer. Consuming the antioxidant beta-carotene, found in papayas, may reduce cancer risk. Among younger men, diets rich in beta-carotene may play a protective role against prostate cancer, according to a study published in the journal Cancer Epidemiology and Prevention Biomarkers. Number 3. Bone health. Low intakes of vitamin K have been associated with a higher risk of bone fracture. Adequate vitamin K consumption is important for good health, as it improves calcium absorption and may reduce urinary excretion of calcium, meaning there is more calcium in the body to strengthen and rebuild bones. Number 4. Diabetes. Studies have shown that people with type 1 diabetes who consume high-fiber diets have lower blood glucose levels, and people with type 2 diabetes may have improved blood sugar, lipid, and insulin levels. All papaya provides about 3 grams of fiber. Number 5. Digestion. Papayas contain an enzyme called papain that aids digestion. In fact, it can be used as a meat tenderizer. Papaya is also high in fiber and water content, both of which help to prevent constipation and promote regularity in a healthy digestive tract. Number 6. Heart disease. The fiber, potassium, and vitamin content in papaya all help to ward off heart disease. An increase in potassium intake along with a decrease in sodium intake is the most important dietary change that a person can make to reduce their risk of cardiovascular disease. Number 7. Inflammation. Choline is a very important and versatile nutrient found in papayas, that aids our bodies in sleep, muscle movement, learning, and memory. Choline also helps to maintain the structure of cellular membranes, aids in the transmission of nerve impulses, assists in the absorption of fat, and reduces chronic inflammation. Number 8. Skin and healing. When used topically, mashed papaya appears to be beneficial for promoting wound healing and preventing infection of burned areas. Researchers believe that the proteolytic enzymes chymopain and papain in papaya are responsible for their beneficial effects. Number 9. Hair health. Papaya is also great for hair because it contains vitamin A, a nutrient required for sebum production, which keeps hair moisturized. Vitamin A is also necessary for the growth of all bodily tissues, including skin and hair. Adequate intake of vitamin E, which papaya can provide, is needed for the building and maintenance of collagen, which provides structure to skin. Thanks for watching. For prompt update and more videos on health and wellness, like and subscribe to my channel.